Hey everyone, here's my review of these double-sided markers by Ohuhu. These ones come in a pack of 160 unique colors, and the packaging that they come with is very nice. It has like a magnetic closure, so you can easily put them away when you're done with them. So as you can see, the colors here, they're very vibrant, and there's a wide variety of different colors and shades. The cool thing about these markers is that they have two tips. So one is like a fine tip, and the other one is more of like a brush. So it's almost like a paintbrush essentially. So I'll show you how it looks on paper. So with the fine tip, it's just like your everyday like fine tip marker. And the brush is more like a paintbrush. It colors in really nicely. So I've been using these markers for a while and I'm very satisfied with them. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.